This video explains why an iPhone may get stuck on the Approve This iPhone screen and offers 4 effective solutions to fix the approval verification issue. Part 1. Why can't I approve my iPhone? The can't approve this iPhone error happens when Apple's security verification fails, often due to iCloud keychain issues, two-factor authentication problems, strict security checks, or iOS glitches or bugs. Part 2. How to fix the can't approve this iPhone issue. Below, we'll go over several solutions you can try to fix the problem. Solution 1. Turn off iCloud Keychain. Step 1. On the Approve This iPhone screen, tap Cancel. Step 2. Open Settings and tap your name at the top of the screen, then select iCloud. Step 3. Scroll down and tap Keychain or Passwords and Keychain. Step 4. Toggle iCloud Keychain or sync this iPhone off. Solution 2. Disable two-factor authentication. Step 1. If you are stuck on the Approve This iPhone screen, tap Cancel in the upper left corner to exit. Step 2. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Step 3. Select Password and Security. Step 4. Locate two-factor authentication and turn it off. Once disabled, try setting up or accessing your device again to see if the issue has been resolved. Solution 3. Use a verification code. Step 1. Tap Cancel on the Approve This iPhone screen. Step 2. Use another iPhone, iPad, or Mac that is signed in with the same iCloud account. Step 3. On the trusted device, go to Settings, your name, Apple ID, password, and security, and then tap Get Verification Code. Step 4. A verification code will appear on the screen. Tap OK to close the pop-up. Step 5. Return to the iPhone that is stuck on the Approve This iPhone screen and enter the verification code when prompted. If the approval process is successful, the Approve This iPhone screen will disappear, indicating that your iPhone has been approved. Solution 4. Use iOS system recovery. If basic fixes don't work, the issue is likely due to an iOS system error like corrupted verification files, failed updates, or software conflicts. In that case, using iOS system recovery can repair the system and fix the Approve This iPhone issue without affecting your data. Step 1. Download and install iOS system recovery on your computer, then launch the program. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer with a working USB cable. On the main interface, select iOS system recovery and click Start. Step 3. Choose standard mode to repair the system without data loss, or select advanced mode for a more thorough repair. Click Confirm to continue. Step 4. Verify your device information. If prompted, download the appropriate firmware package and click Repair. Wait for the process to complete. Once finished, your iPhone will restart normally.